Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. Equipped with a brand-name motor, this machine increases production by 40% compared to conventional models. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.